In this video, we will teach you what the manual call event is and how to use it within the system. The manual call event creates a queue or a to-do list of calls so that when you or another user log into the system, they can call through the list and utilize the call function to go through that list. The first step is to create a manual call campaign. You can navigate to the campaign section and either create a new campaign or go into an existing campaign. Once you've chosen the new or existing campaign, click Add Event and choose Manual Call as the action. Go ahead and activate the campaign and save to confirm your changes. The next step is to test the manual call campaign so you're familiar with how it works within the system. Create a test contact record using some of your own contact information, or if you already have one set up, navigate to that existing test contact record. Go ahead and add this test contact to the campaign that you created in the step above. Navigate to Contacts, Manual Actions, and click Let's Start in the top right corner of the screen. The system will then make a call to your test contact. Since the call comes through a browser, you may need to enable or allow the microphone in order to activate the permissions on your computer's end. Once the call is complete, you can select the outcome of the call. Was it a no answer? Was the line busy? Did you leave a voicemail? Or was the call completed? The next step is to begin utilizing the manual call campaign. Now that you've set it up and successfully run a test of the manual call campaign, you can add contacts to this campaign. This can be done through a tag, a trigger, or the bulk actions as listed in your contact section. Now you're ready to use the manual call campaign. Please note, if you have a long list and wish to pause at some point during the manual calls, you can click on the Let's Start button and it will pause the sequence. Keep in mind there is a 5-second rundown before the next call comes in. That's all for now. Thanks.